Surely you can't be serious.
I like to be useful, but I can have fun too.
Hey guys, welcome to the Gentech reviews, and that was Amazon's all-new Echo Dot Generation 4 with a clock. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the device. So it was announced back in September with other new devices. It comes in a couple of color themes, as can be seen on the bottom right, Twilight Blue and Glacier White. Here on the top left you can see I bought this device back in October and just got delivered. There are other more versions of this new Amazon Echo Dot 4 generation. For example, Echo Dot without the clock for £49.99, which is £10 cheaper than the Gen 4 with the clock, and comes in 3 different colors: Twilight Blue, Glacier White and Charcoal. There are also 2 kids editions available as well, Tiger and a Panda edition, but I can't find them listed on the Amazon UK website, but I've seen them on Amazon US website if you're interested. Okay guys, so let's take a look at the packaging quickly, just to go through the usual stuff. On the front we can see the picture of the Echo Dot with the clock. On this side we can see some of the features of the device, such as it has a LED display with 3.5mm audio aux out. Bluetooth is also inbuilt. It also has a physical microphone on and off button for privacy as well. So if you're concerned about Amazon listening to your talk, it's a handy button to use. On this side it shows some of the commands which can be used with the device, and over here it says the device has updated design with better sound quality. It can be used for playing music, control compatible smart devices also. Time can be seen easily with the LED display and etc. Okay guys, so with all that reading done, now let's see what we get inside the box. So here we can see some of the instructions, such as download the app and plug in the device. So here's the device, all new Amazon's Echo Dot 4 Gen with the clock. It feels a bit heavier than the older sibling, the 3rd gen. So Echo Dot 3 with the clock weigh approximately 300 grams. And dimensions are 99mm wide by 43mm high, where on the other side Echo Dot 4 with the clock is a little bit on the heavier side with 338 gram. So it makes the new Echo Dot clock approximately 12% heavier, but I think it doesn't matter, as these devices are made to sit on the table and no one will be moving them around a lot. So dimension of the new gen is 100mm wide and 89mm high. So width wise it's only 1mm, which is almost the same, but it has got extra height when compared to the older versions. So along with the Dot we also get information booklets. Other than the information booklets, it comes with a much needed power adapter to power up the device. Let's take a look at the device. So it's a sphere design and material is fabric, which Amazon claims to be super environmentally friendly. As you can see, the statement on the product page, it's 50% of the plastic used is post-consumer recycled plastics, 100% of the fabric used is post-consumer recycled fabric, 100% of the aluminium used is also recycled, which includes device cable and adapters. So they haven't only been environment friendly with the device manufacturing, but also the packaging as well. The device has a low power mode to consume less energy for day-to-day operation of the device. So guys, it's time to plug in the device and set it up with the app. While the device is starting up, let's explore the device. It's definitely feels heavier than the 3rd gen. On that, I will also be doing a side-to-side comparison of the 2 devices soon. So if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do now to get notified when the video is uploaded in case you miss it. So while looking at the device, we can see on the top there are 4 physical buttons: mute button, volume up and down, as well as an action button. On the back we have a 3.5 aux out and the power port. Here we can see the ring light as well at the bottom, and at the very bottom it has a rubber pad to keep the device stable and to prevent it from sliding on the surface. So let's open up the app and get the device connected. The device itself is telling us that it is in a setup mode and the ring is light up in orange. Let's set it up in the app then. Before we start looking at the app, please make sure you have a Bluetooth and GPS turned on. I had some problems setting up the device and I figured that was the problem. After opening the app, go to the bottom right where it shows the option more. Tap on add device, it's at the top. And then Amazon Echo. After that on Echo Dot. Is your Echo plugged in? Yes. So here we can see the device is visible. Click on it. Searching for a Wi-Fi now. Choose your Wi-Fi. Connecting to Wi-Fi. There you go. Echo Dot is connected. Hit continue. Things to know. Continue. Assign the device to a group. Not necessary. You can skip that. Teach Alexa your voice. You can skip that if you don't want to. Where is your device? Your address? You can skip that as well. Not mandatory. So yeah, that was the whole process for setup. While the Alexa is all set up, let's have a chat with Alexa and ask some questions.
Do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets. I used to have a few bugs, but they kept getting squashed.
Are you blue?
Only my light ring. Only my light ring.
Surely you can't be serious.
I like to be useful, but I can have fun too.
Do you know Siri?
Only by reputation.
What's the weather out?
Currently, in Dublin it's 12 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 13 degrees and a low of 10 degrees.
Timer for 1 minute?
1 minute, starting now.
So yeah, here you can see the time is being counted down as well. How was your day?
It's been excellent. I landed some good jokes, and maybe 1 or 2 stinkers.
So guys, this was the unboxing and setup of all new Amazon Echo Dot 4 with clock. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of the new videos posted on the channel. If you have any question or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Again, thanks for your time and hope to see you soon.